National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles northwest of New Buffalo to 13 nautical miles east of Harrison Beaver Crib to near Midway Airport, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Northerly Island to Willow Springs, moving south-southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include south side of Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, South Shore, Roseland, Englewood, Chicago Lawn, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Burbank, Lansing, and Oak Forest. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, SeatGeek Stadium, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning.